Alright, so we're just putting new injectors in this. Here's kind of what the old ones look like. So my assumption that's one that's not broken and stuff, and all the rest are pretty much missing the whole end. So pretty much what you need is, at least with this, how I took it apart was 1/4 inch 10mm to do the front bolts. I don't know if this is just something somebody did on here beforehand, but these back ones were 8s. They may be 10s, I'm not for sure. So here's the new ones, the part number, so that y'all know. And guess we're just gonna throw them in real quick. So let's just do this one first. And so how I took it apart is, you got a fuel line that connects the two. That's 10mm. I pulled that off, and then pulled the bolts that hold the rail down, and then just popped it out. I think this motor has like a spacer or something in there, so there's actually room to pull it out right now. So we're just gonna start changing them. Alright, then you just gotta slip it in here. I don't exactly remember how I did it. You see it over there?
Yeah.
Oh, this guy just broke my shit.
No, it just fell off. No, oh no.
Alright, so we're just putting the 2 fuel rail bolts in. It is a pain with the intake on, just so you know. It is possible, but it is a pain.
Is this the stock one?
Yeah, but I think it's got a spacer here.
Yeah.
So we got this one here. Tighten it. Alright, so now we set this here. And you want a 10 for the front one, so we're just gonna
What are
take
these
them
nuts?
off. Those are for the line over here, the rail.
Cool.
Now we got these ones that were all broke and shit too. Huh. Oops, sorry, Abel.
And the viewers?
They didn't feel it like you did, obviously. I just make sure I wiggle them so that the seals slide in easier. And then we just gotta slip this one back in here, which goes this way. Oh, jeez. Like I said, not a whole lot of room or anything with the intake on. If you did it without the intake, it'd be a lot easier. Here, let me get up here. So that's pretty much what you gotta do. You gotta do the same thing as I did on the other side, except for their 10s, not 8s, which I don't know. I'm not the one that originally built this, so could be 10s all around. So guess that's it for our little video here real quick. Everybody have a great day. See you in the next one.